Good morning! I have a super simple but delicious breakfast recipe to share with you. Okay, let's get started. You will need 2 corn tortillas, 2 eggs, some cheddar cheese, feta cheese. Most important of all, you must have the raspberry chipotle sauce. Next, you'll need to get 2 skillets. One skillet will be to cook your eggs in, and then the other one is to heat up your corn tortillas. I love my cast iron skillets, and I think they're just work perfectly for this. Put a little oil into your egg pan. Turn on the heat for both of them to medium. Now wait for the pans to get nice and hot. Once they're hot, put your corn tortillas on your skillet, and you'll let it cook there until you have brown spots on the side that's closest to the heat. Pop your eggs into your other pan. If you have an egg yolk that breaks, don't worry about it. Oh dear, what kind of food YouTuber am I? I totally forgot to show you the steps of putting salt and pepper on your egg and flipping over your eggs before taking them off the pan. The next thing you want to do is place the tortillas on a plate and then remove the cooked eggs and place them onto the tortillas. If you'll notice, the tortilla has little brown spots. You want to cook them until you get that because it gives them a nice taste. Top each egg with some cheddar cheese and then a little bit of feta cheese. The raspberry chipotle sauce. And that's it. You have your breakfast all ready to go, and it is delicious. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you enjoyed this video, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos.